A border clash between the world's biggest nation, what could go wrong? Chinese ongoing border clash with India may seem remote, but it has global impact. Reporters say thousands of troops moved into the disputed area 14,000 feet up in the Himalayas after skirmishes broke out on May 5 near Pangong Lake in Ladakh and then on May 9 in North Sikkim, leaving more than 100 soldiers injured. Amid the global coronavirus pandemic, assessing exactly what is happening in this dispute between the two most populous countries on the earth is difficult. Much of border region is closed to press, so reporters have to rely on statements and leaks. Many accounts suggest that aggressive Chinese patrols in the area known as the Line of Action Control (LAC) were to blame, or in what may not necessarily may be contradiction that Indian construction in the region had been interpreted as an aggressive challenge to Beijing's Belt and Road Infrastructure project. India and China's border problem are not new, it's the circumstances surrounding them that have changed. Both Beijing and Delhi are led by the government in the thrall of nationalistic ambition. The pandemic has further pushed many nations into pro or anti China positions, camps that were already forming amid the global trade war that has lasted years. The United States, locked in its own scramble with China, has voiced her support for India's position and offered to mediate. Wu Zhaijun, the outspoken editor of China's party paper The Global Times, seized on the conflicting message mocking President Trump and arguing that the United States seemed to be the beneficiary of China-India border tension. Wu Zhaijun tweet: President Trump finally knows that China and India share borders. However, the US seemed to be beneficiary of China-India border tension and seemed to be willing to see a border clash between us. Indian people, would you welcome Washington to be a mediator? India and China's relationship is based on their status as two giant very neighbors. They share a 2167-mile long border. Together, their populations are about 2.7 billion, more than a third of the world's total. Both have achieved rapid economic development in recent decades and increased their territorial ambitions. Both have nuclear weapons. India was among the first democracies to recognize the People's Republic of China in 1950, but border disputes between the two increased as Beijing took control of Tibet. In 1962, they fought a month-long war on the Himalayan border, with China inflicting serious casualties on India before withdrawing to LAC. There were skirmishes over the border for years. In 1988, after one incident in the Sumdrong Chung Valley in Arunachal Pradesh, then Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi traveled to Beijing to meet his counterpart Deng Xiaoping, the two nations both undergoing a wave of economic development just as the Soviet Union began to collapse, but aside their differences out of pragmatism.